Ever tried pouring boiling water and thought, wow, I should really get a personal assistant for this? Well, meet the Xiaomi Smart Kettle 2 Pro, basically your kitchen's new best friend. Trust me, it's smarter than most of my exes. This kettle isn't playing small. 1.7 liters of hot water means you can make about 8 cups in one go. That's enough for breakfast, coffee breaks, and even your neighbor if they knock on your door. Plus, the vertical rounded handle makes pouring smooth and effortless. No awkward wrist gymnastics, just pure kettle zen. Now let's talk power. With 1800 watts, water goes from 0 to rolling boil in just 5.5 minutes. Compare that to the older 1500 watts models and you're saving 2 precious minutes. Time you can spend sipping tea instead of staring at boiling water like a microwave enthusiast. Safety, Xiaomi didn't skip leg day here. Automatic shut-off, dry burn detection, anti-electric shock protection. Basically, this kettle's got more security features than my laptop. And the food grade stainless steel interior, rust and BPA free so your hot drinks are safe, clean and worry free. One piece seamless body, double layer heat insulation and a clever lid that collects steam without splashing. Cleaning is a breeze and you won't burn your fingers trying to pour. Honestly, it's like the kettle version of a luxury spa day for your hands. So if you want fast, safe, and hassle-free hot water that doesn't demand attention every second, the Xiaomi Smart Kettle 2 Pro is a game changer. Say goodbye to lukewarm drinks and hello to your new favorite kitchen sidekick. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.